Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Trading Journey with Bishwadeep. So today is my day 10 of my trading challenge of making 10 lakhs from 20,000 rupees. I took the trade on Bank Nifty and it was on Wednesday, so the Bank Nifty expiry day. It was 28th of August and I took a single trade on that day after seeing a loss of 547 rupees because the previous day only I made a loss of rupees 912, and I don't want to make any other mistakes after getting into a loss after the first trade. So let me tell you the reason why I took the trade. Here I took the trade. This is the day's beginning at 9:15 a.m. You can see a long wick candle formation. So there is a buying, more buyers are there in the market than the sellers. So the demand zone, this is the demand zone. This is the demand zone and this is the supply zone. Let me show you. Let me draw this. This is the supply zone and this is the demand zone. So the first candle that formed here is a doji candle. After that a bearish candle formed and similarly it followed by another bearish candle that gave me a breakdown in the support line. You can check this support line was the previous day's support line. So that is why once it gave me a breakdown, I took the trade in this position at the 9:30th mark, since another bearish candle formed in this position. And after forming this candle, you can see a huge doji candle formation. The sellers are there in the market at a huge number, but the buyers are also there. Buyers are also present, or else it could have been a bearish candlestick. So you need to understand the psychology behind the each bearish and the bullish candle that forms. And whenever it comes near to the resistance or the support zone, that time the demand and the supply zone much more come into effect. Since it was the expiry day, I took the trade over here. It went up to this position. There was a sudden spike. So in the demat account of Dhan, so you can see a huge negative number of like 900 to 1000 rupees. Suddenly, since the market got stabilized a little bit at this position, and after that I went on to a loss of rupees 597 rupees. The market stabilized a little bit and after that it again came down. Somehow the market was on the particular zone only. See, this is the zone that the market was there for that particular of 28th of August. Everyone asks or everyone know that what is the hero zero trade. Everyone search for that hero zero trade, right? So let me show you one of the hero zero trade that happened, but I missed that trade. See, what is the time? This is 3:10 p.m. A bearish candle formed and it followed by three other bearish candle, right? So let me check. The week price is 51,170, and the last one is 51,033. So you can guess there has been a, and what is the time for this? 15:25. So within the 15 minutes time frame, you can see, is it 200, oh sorry, that's a 150 points coming in the downward movement. So that is called the hero zero trade. Maybe at that time the options premium was hardly 1 or 2 rupees if you are taking the OTM option, or if you are taking the ATM option also, could be hardly 5 or 6 rupees at that moment. And with the sudden spike, it can goes up to 60 to 70 rupees also. So within the short 15-minute time frame, you are gaining like 50, like calculating the average, like 50 rupees into 15. So what does this come? It is 750 rupees within a 15 minutes time frame of using only one lot. So that is the power of the hero zero trade. Even though I didn't take the trade and didn't wait for that much time, since I made a loss in the beginning of the market opening. So that was the trade of my day 10, and I made a loss of rupees 547 rupees. Okay, I didn't mention it. 547. So 17098 minus 547. So currently my overall capital stands at 16,551 after day 10. So thank you everyone. See you on day 11.